Do you see that? Do you see that? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bams and I'm back with another video. Today we just have some colossal shrimp that I will be devouring because your girl is hungry and I don't want to do nothing but jump right in. So grab a seat, kick up your feet, but don't ask for nothing to eat because your girl is hungry. I think I've already said that, but whatever. Colossal shrimp shell on. I'm not going to do too much top there in the video. Excuse any background noises. That is here. I got my child with me next to me and my boyfriend's downstairs yelling at the damn video game. You know the story. You know the routine, okay? I can't miss this meal without you, okay? Because this right here is about to be phenomenal. I haven't had these shrimps in so long. Mm, I don't know how many calories this is actually, but right now I'm not really caring. These Pacific ones called Argentine colossal shrimp. These right here taste like baby lobsters. And they look like baby lobsters too. But anyway, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing good. I hope y'all getting whatever y'all want to eat. This is so good. This is the sauce I made up with some garlic, onions, bell peppers, all the seasonings in the cabinets, butter, lemon juice, and some hot sauce. Now, whoops. Gosh, I should have deshelled these before that. I'm not the type that want to suck the shell. This sauce right here is pretty good. It's a real quick snack for me. I really haven't ate much today, so I gotta make sure I chew all my food. Make sure this settles down right. What is going on with y'all today? What is going on, y'all, today? Let me get some of these onions. Today I actually got up extra early, got some kitty litter and some cat food. I had to, get my cats in check. I got 2 cats. I'm not even a cat person. I'm a dog person. But my boyfriend brought his cat, and then the neighbor brought a kitten over. So now I got 2 cats. Like, me? A cat person? No way. Anyways, my daughter's over there. She eating some chips. So that's what y'all hear the crunching for. We snacking together. Y'all tell me in the comments down below. Tell me what y'all been craving, because this is what I've been craving. I'm very excited for this meal. I was going to take the shrimp and put them in the sauce. But honestly, y'all, I'm a dipper. I like to dip my stuff. Even with my french fries, I don't like to spray ketchup all on my fries. I like to dip my fries. I like to control how much sauce I have on each bite. mm. Look how quick this video is gonna be. My daughter in there doing her homework. I have to get on her. She's trying to get away with not doing it. I have to come in there with a hanger. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, not sorry. Now, I only got 4 more left. I feel like I ate this way too fast, but I was hungry. I was super hungry. I like to slow down just a little bit and be quiet just a little bit so I could really embrace my food. Excuse those little toes to the side. What you doing, little girl?
Going potty.
Oh. Shut the door behind you. I don't want the cat to come in. Thank you, boo. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna leave this one soaked in there. And these two. Hey, I want to give props to everybody who has a YouTube channel that come over and watch my channel. I do go over there and watch your channel back. So if you guys want to leave a comment to let me know, I will support my other YouTubers. I do go out and I press play and I let your playlist run. I'll run your playlist. So because I appreciate you guys so much. I really, 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 really appreciate every single one. I like to give shout outs to once I get a nice little crowd going for my comment section, I like to give shout outs. Yummy. That's good. Let me get one of these onions. I think it's going to be my last time using this sauce. I got up this morning. I went outside. I sat in the sun. Felt real good, and I'm trying to stay there. I'm telling you, the energy that you put out is the energy you shall receive. Look at Captain America back there. Look at Captain America back there looking at me. trying to get some shrimp. Last bite, y'all. Yeah. Go get you something you like. Go get you something that you love and indulge in it and celebrate life. If you're on a weight loss journey like me, keep the portion real small, but still enjoy what you like. And I gotta go. I got to go. That was delicious. Anyways, thank each and every single one of you guys for watching this little 10-minute video of me eating my favorite colossal shrimp in this delicious sauce. I'm trying to share with you positive vibes. Stay there and get there, baby. And until next time, bye. Don't forget to comment down below. You will eventually get a shout out. Subscribe. Bye.